Hi, welcome. Have you just woken up from a deep dream that the bed pooped on you? It doesn't matter what part of your body the bed pooped on you. This dream can be sometimes daunting, but also if you know the meaning of a bed pooping on you, whether in a dream or in just waking life, it is actually a good omen. But then I have had such dreams several times, so today I'm going to share with you from my experience of having this dream. This dream can be one of the best dreams that you can have, depending on the kind of bed that pooped on you. Most of the times, some people will see the bed that pooped on them, some will not. But when I had this dream, in the dream, I saw a bed that came on my head and pooped on me. So that poop, I was trying to clean it up on a tap. As I was cleaning it up, I just realized I had to go somewhere. As I was walking away, I realized that poop was still there. I woke up. This dream, I did not feel bad or maybe feel as if I'm threatened in any way. I just felt calm and comfortable. But as I was walking in the dream, I realized I had that urge of trying to clean up because I was wondering how I'm going to walk around with poop on my head. When I had this dream, I did not understand the meaning of a bed pooping on me until later on. I woke up on that day, and when I woke up, I had a massive present, which was in finances. I woke up on that day, and finances suddenly, which I did not expect, I received financial blessing on that day. So I wondered, wow, was that dream connected to this? I don't know. But I was praying. I was praying during that week. I was praying and praying. When I had that dream, in the dream, because I did not understand the meaning, I was trying to cleaning up, to clean up, to clean up. So this is what can mean when you have a dream where a bell popped on you. Sometimes it can mean that something good is coming in your way. It might be the same day, the next day, in a week time, but soon. If the bed pooped on your head, it's immediately something good happens. But it depends sometimes with the feeling and what happened in that dream. Sometimes maybe you were fighting with the bed or something like that. That cannot be a good dream. But if the bed pooped on you peacefully and your heart felt peaceful, that means that dream is good. According to my experience, I received a financial blessing that I did not expect, and it was a lump sum. So I hope this helps someone who had such dream. But you should keep on praying when you have any dream, because God can also direct you to find the meaning, because no dream is the same. Every dream is unique. What I've learned and realized that some people might consider a dream to be bad, but as you pray, you realize God shows you some unique things that He wanted you to learn from a particular dream. So don't give up. Keep on praying, because God is the only answer, or who is the one who can guide you to understand your dreams further, because all what we share is something that is general, but your dream might have a unique aspect in it. But this is just an idea or what I have experienced. I hope this helps someone. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.